58.30 is how the Nifty is positioned right now. It's been a bit volatile within 40-point band roughly. As you can see, we came off from 58.50, but the market has settled somewhere in the middle. You have some export-oriented names which are still holding up. Bajaj Auto is the top gainer, though mildly so. There's Bharti Airtel, which is up about 0.7%. Power Grid, DLF, and Infosys, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These are stocks which are holding up in the session. On the losing side, Ranbaxy is down about 3.5%. There's Ultratech Cement, which is a bit weak. Tata Motors has lost ground. We just spoke with Shankar Sharma earlier in the day, and he was talking about how the steam in Tata Motors may have, been played out. So perhaps the upside for the stock from these levels, the story actually would have played out, and the upside from these levels would be limited. So that one is down about 2%. And you have also the likes of a Bank of Baroda and IndusInd Bank. A larger chunk of the banking names are actually weak in this afternoon session. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and also index heavyweights. GAIL is down about almost 1%. NTPC is looking a bit weak in the session too.
Bharti Airtel is not. Promoters buying 18 lakh shares in the open market on 17th of June. The general strength in telecom today, because Idea is strong as well as Arcom is strong. So some of these stocks are adding to the meat in today's trade. Tata Power. Now, the news, of course, and everybody believed was negative, which is that the stock opened lower. The coal ministry has issued show cause notice for the delay in the Mandakini block development. However, further analysis showed that there is no immediate deallocation risk because there could be various reasons. The companies have gotten 20 days to file their responses, and if it's due to reasons which are beyond that control, there's no problem. CLSA has, of course, upgraded Tata Power to a buy from outperform from target of 105. So all of that bringing the stock back into the green. There is some bit of strength that we're seeing in Adani Power as well. So it was down in the session today, but I think it's just clawed its way back into the green. I think it's happening with all the power names. So 2.5 or 3% for Adani Power as well. In fact, talking of gainers, look at some of first, just one Jubilant Foodworks, which of course has been a sell recommendation and which is pertinent to bring it up, 3% down in trade. But if you look at the mid-cap pharma names, there is a lot of strength today. So Panisha Biotech, Orchid Chemicals, Ajanta Pharma, a lot of these stocks have done very well.